Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning. I'm going to present you a feature that is called Share TM with Collaborators. And the reason why we've decided to work on this feature is that it's another step of the planned roadmap during which we want to enable users to maintain content of the translation memory. As you know, translation memory is a key part of each and every translation management system. And so far, we have been working on search functionality, not only across project, but also across translation memories. But the access to search and to edit the segments in translation memory was given to admin and a project manager. But the fact is that it is a native speaker who needs to validate the feedback and implement and correct all the mistakes in the translation memory. So right now we are going to give access and share a TM with the linguist, with the native speaker, to maintain the content of the translation memory. How to do that? You have two options. You can go to the translation memory page and do it right away from here by selecting TM and clicking share, or you can go directly into the TM you want to share, and there is a share button. You click on the share button, you add a linguist with whom you want to share it, and then click share TM or decide whether view access or edit access. I'm not gonna do that at the moment. I'm gonna to show you how the linguist view looks like. So currently I'm the linguist, and as you can see, there is new tab on the left pane, which is called translation memories. This was displayed only to project managers and admins. Right now we display it, and if there are no TMs relevant to be displayed, there is an empty page. Once I share this TM with the linguist in edit mode, I'm provided the success message. The email is sent to the linguist, and linguist has access to this TM. You click on it, and you can work with that. If you select a TM, you can even use search TM content. So you can work on and use the features connected with search across multiple translation memories, which was released in autumn last year. So this is how you can share a TM with a linguist. Now, if I update this page, the TM list page, you see that ENCS TM is shared with one person. The translation memory list page on the linguist side also displays project TMs. So whenever because it is another way how the linguist can approach and access the translation memory. So when I go to the project called today, there is a TM called shared TM. When I assign this job to the same linguist, this one, and I will already made it accepted. Right now, there should be two TMs. One that was shared and one that is a project TM. The linguist has access to shared TM via the project, and that's why we display this chip to distinguish between the shared TM and the project TM. Now the linguist has clear overview of what is shared with him, and also admin and PMs have overview of which TM was shared with who. Thanks for watching. Ciao.